tracing shapes. These are all congruent. Nope, those are not congruent. What are congruent figures? Congruent figures have the same size and shape. These two figures are the same shape. They're both rectangles. They have the same number of sides, and they're exactly the same length. If you slide one figure on top of the other, they match up perfectly. They are congruent. Are those figures congruent? They're both the same shape. They're both octagons. I'll slide one on top of the other. The lengths of their sides are the same. So the octagons are congruent. Are these figures congruent? They are congruent. If you turn one of the figures, you'll see they are the same shape and size. Are these figures congruent? I'm going to turn this shape to make things easier. Let's see. They're the same shape, but if you slide one on top, you can see that one is smaller. They're incongruent, which means they're not congruent. Are those two figures congruent? They have the same shape. They're both squares, but one figure is bigger than the other. They're incongruent, but they're also similar. What are similar figures? Similar figures have the same shape, but are different sizes. These two figures are the same shape. They're both hexagons. But the lengths of the sides are different. These hexagons are similar. Are those similar figures? These are the same shape. They're both trapezoids. They have the same number of sides, but the lengths of the sides are different. One is definitely smaller than the other. So they're similar. They're also incongruent. I'm not sure if these figures are similar. Let's turn one so it's easier to tell. They both have the same shape, but their sides are not the same length. They're similar figures. Sometimes it's helpful to trace figures to see if they're congruent or similar. It makes it easier to compare. What? You're a congruent figure? Whoa!
Thanks for watching.